Hello friends, I'm sure you must have seen these kind of videos.
The microfilm is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
Where were you on the night of the bubble bath?
आंटी टमाटर तो लाल है ही, आप तो मिर्ची लग रही हो।
संभल जा भाई, ये मिर्ची कड्डी में नहीं सीधा आंखों में जाती है।
They are getting viral on Instagram and YouTube. So if you also want to generate these kind of videos using Google Gemini VO3, then in today's video I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First of all, we need to get access to VO3. For this, open your browser and type the Google one. You can also find the link in the description. Once you are on the website, click on sign in button at the center. After that, you will need to get a plan. But don't worry, it's completely free if you follow the step I'm showing. Before accessing the plan, make sure that the email you are using doesn't already have an active plan. To check this, click on Open Google One in the right side. Then click on your email icon. If your email already has a plan, you will see colored border circle around it. In that case, you will need to use a new email without any active plans. Now go back to the previous web page and click on See All Plans. Here you will find the Google AI Pro plan. Click Start Trial. Select the 1950 monthly plan and click Continue. Then choose your preferred payment method. I have already completed this process beforehand, so you can see I have a Pro plan. So when you access the plan, a 2 rupees UPI auto pay or a different currency, a very small amount plan will be activated. So that amount will be refunded within an hour. Once your plan is activated, you will notice a color border around the email you used for the plan. So that means it is activated. Now this is very important since Gemini VO3 isn't available in India. So if you are using from India, make sure you use the VPN. Since I have completely configured 100% free plan, I'll skip that things and I'll continue with the account. Now open your browser, search for Google Gemini and visit the website. Next, make sure you are signed in with the same email you used for the paid plan. Check it from the top right corner. Then select 2.5 flash. Scroll down and when you click on video, click if you are seeing VO3 written there. If it is not showing up, either there is a mistake in the process or that email already have a previous plan. Very important part, after activating the plan, you don't forget to turn off autoplay. Otherwise, the amount for the paid plan will be deducted from your account in the next month. Now inside the text box, you will need to enter your prompt. Now the prompt includes video style, character description, scene or atmosphere, camera details, action and emotions, dialogues, background music and sound, and video quality. So if you need this doc, comment down VO3 in the comment box and also send me an email with the same subject line VO3 and I'll send it to you instantly. So now let's head back to Gemini web page. Paste your prompt into the box and click on Generate Video button. Gemini AI will create your videos in 2 to 5 minutes. Again, important part, VO3 generates only 8-second clip, so do not write the dialogue more than 8 seconds. Also from one account, you can generate only 3 videos in a day. So if you want to create longer videos, create 8 seconds 3 videos. And here is our final result.
देखो हमारा AI vlog बिल्कुल असली लग रहा है ना?
आप भी बना लो VO3 से।
So if you found my video helpful, make sure you like it and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who also want to create such videos. See you in the next one.